be giving you guys a room tour. So basically, I have a lot of stuff in my room, and I'm gonna be showing you today. So I have this bed, like squishmallows, that stuff, water bottle for school, stickers, and a lot of desk supplies. Next, I have my bed. It has a lot of squishmallows, a pillow, fluff pillow, and just a lot more decor. So these are where my medals go. This is my thingamajiggy. This is my swing, my chair to get on the swing, my green rug, and then I have a mirror that has a secret location in it, which is stuff in there. It has crosses and stuff. And then next, I have my window that I look out of every day. And then I have my dirty closet. In next video, I will show you a whole house. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notifications, hit the thumbs up if you love this video. Peace. I love you guys.